Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm taking you to Woodhaven, Queens. This episode is regarding a market update, and I chose Woodhaven because we've sold homes here. Remember those past episodes? Welcome to 8535 75th Street in Woodhaven. Welcome to 8909 96th Street. Welcome to 8869 Eldridge Lane in Woodhaven. According to public records, there were 8 transactions for single-family homes in the month of January. Now, in those homes, you're gonna find highs and lows. Let's take a tour around the neighborhood and see where are these homes located. Woodhaven's a great place to live. If you've seen the last episodes, you already know what's some of my favorites. If you haven't, let me tell you. Right now, we're standing in Forest Park. It's an amazing park connecting several neighborhoods together, and we also have nearby transportation. The J train takes you wherever you practically want to go, with connections to the Long Island Railroad and all the way to downtown Manhattan. So where was the highest single-family home sale price in Woodhaven? Well, for the month of January, we're brought right here to 87th Avenue. We're expected to see a lot more demand and more inventory come into the spring seasons. If you're in the market and thinking of buying, well, don't stand on the fence. Interest rates are at a historic low, lower than they've ever been in many, many years. So for the lowest single-family home sale price in the month of January, we're brought to right here, 76th Street in Woodhaven. With the market being in the state that it's in, it makes homes a lot more affordable when you have a lesser rate. And with several agencies reporting that homes are supposed to be appreciating year over year at least 2%, this may be the right time to get in the market. So thanks for watching the video on this neighborhood's market activity. I look forward to going over to your neighborhood soon. In the meantime, you make sure to subscribe because I'll bring you more opportunities, adventures, and updates. As always, I'll be seeing you back in the neighborhood.